From oil prices to AI markets and India's semiconductor boom, here are today's top business developments. Oil prices surge. Brent crude remains near $100 as geopolitical tensions involving the US and Iran keep energy markets volatile. AI drives global markets. Global stock markets rallied as investors continue betting big on artificial intelligence growth. Inflation risks continue. Major central banks warned inflation is still a concern, meaning interest rates could stay high longer. Gold gains. Attention. Gold prices remain strong as investors look for safer assets during global uncertainty. Global growth slows. Economic agencies say global growth remains uneven despite improvements in some regions. Corporate governance concerns. Governance and leadership issues are impacting investor confidence in major global companies. Market volatility continues. Investors worldwide remain cautious due to oil prices, inflation fears, and geopolitical tensions. India-Canada investment talks. India is strengthening investment and trade discussions with Canada for future economic partnerships. India's semiconductor push. India continues expanding semiconductor manufacturing with government incentives and new projects. Indian markets open flat. Indian stock markets opened cautiously amid mixed global signals and oil price concerns. Subscribe for daily business, investment, and economic updates.